All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Sunday's preposition. So amidst, 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 in the middle of, in the middle of. I am amidst the mountains. She is amidst all her work. Yeah. Oh, ID. IDST. Yes, I'm going to say. Okay, very good. Yeah. So we found him amidst the trees. They went amidst the fields. Yes. Oops. They went amidst the field, within, surrounded by someone or something. So the house is amidst the lake. The lake. How cool is that? So they are amidst the others. I am amidst the people. I'm amidst the people, amidst the crowd. Yes. I am amidst all my books. My books. Amidst all my books. How cool is that? Yeah. So, when I was there, I was amidst the crowd. Yeah. When I went there, I was amidst the new people. Yeah. She was amidst my family for a while. Yeah. He thought I was amidst. He thought I was amidst the office. He thought I was amidst the office, somewhere in the office. Yeah. It has to be amidst the other tools and equipment. It has to be amidst everything else. Yeah. So I, she, he, it, they. So they thought they could find it amidst amidst the river bank. They thought they could find it amidst the riverbank, somewhere in the riverbank. Maybe the shell or the thing they lost had to be somewhere. Yeah, very good. By seeing the culture, I was amidst them all. Yeah, I was amidst the Mayan culture in South Yucatan. I was amidst the Mayan culture in the Yucatan. Yeah, how cool is that? Soon you will be amidst the mountains, lakes and rivers. Yeah, when I climb Snowdonia, I will be amidst nature. Yeah, I'll be amidst nature in every direction. In every direction. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, in the midst of. I am in the amidst. I am amidst all this work that I need to finish fast. All this work I need to complete fast. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use amidst in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. You can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching my name, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.